Our top story, the nation bid farewell, a tarry farewell to its top general.
It's a farewell that he would probably have chuckled at. But it was one befitting for the man he was. This was how the men and women of India bid him goodbye. The mortal remains of India's first Chief of Defence Staff and his wife in a gun carriage. Travelled amidst a sea of incredible public adulation to the site of their final journey. Amidst the grief and pain, the military conducted itself with incredible dignity and precision, bringing General and Mrs. Rawat into Delhi's Brar Square crematorium. The sight of the two caskets, adorned with flowers and the flag, a painful reminder that a tragedy that's still sinking in is really true. After a wreath-laying ceremony, which saw admirers and friends from India and across the world joining the top military and defence leadership, it was for the grieving family, the couple's two daughters, Kritika and Tarini, to bid their father and mother farewell. And in a final act, the country's first Chief of Defence Staff and Mrs. Madhulika Rawat were consigned to the eternal flame. These images emblazoned on the minds of the family and every Indian. The first couple of the Indian military, vibrant, warm, full of life, and with so much left to do, have bid this world farewell. With Aishwarya Paliwal and Mohit Sharma at Brar Square, Bureau Report, India Today.
Brigadier Lidda's last rite, Brigadier Lidda, who was also on the ill-fated chopper, his last rites were conducted this morning by his 16-year-old daughter, Ashna Lidda.
A heartbroken wife mourns the loss of her husband. A proud daughter pays her last respects to her beloved father. A nation united in grief over the loss of its bravest, of its brightest. Draped in the tricolour, his wife kissing his casket one final time as she bid him goodbye. She was handed over the tricolour that draped Brigadier Lidda's casket and his picture, which she kissed, hugged and refused to let go of.
He was larger than life. Everybody knows that. मतलब आप देख ही रहे हैं कितने लोग फेयरवेल में आए. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा persona था उनका. बहुत दोस्त थे. This is not the way we wanted him back, but if it was not to be, then I don't know. उससे ज़्यादा तो दुख है. Life बहुत लंबी है हमें काटने के लिए, but whatever.
सबसे बड़े मोटिवेटर थे वो मेरे. और मुझे याद है जब मैं 5 साल की थी, मैंने पापा को देख के एक बार बोला कि आप मेरी हर बात मानते हो ना, क्योंकि वो मेरी हर बात मानते थे. एंड आई एम स्कैर्ड बिकॉज आई वाज वेरी पैम्पर्ड बाय माय फादर.
The last rites of Brigadier Lider was carried out by his 16-year-old daughter at Brar Square in Delhi Cantonment. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, NSA Ajit Doval, Army Chief General Naravane, Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar and BJP leader Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore, who was also Brigadier Lider's friend, and other dignitaries were in attendance for the final journey.
शुरू से राष्ट्रीय रक्षा अकादमी में जब हम 16 साल की उम्र में गए थे तब से लेकर अभी तक हम सबसे ब्राइटेस्ट फौजी ऑफिसर, और उन्होंने कश्मीर में अपनी सेवा दी, विदेश में अपनी सेवा दी, और भारत की सेना में मेजर जनरल की रैंक उनको मिल चुकी थी और उनका पूरा करियर आगे था। लेकिन आज ये हम सबको सामना करना पड़ रहा है।
जिस प्रकार से दुर्घटना में गए हैं, देश को एक बहुत बड़ी हानि हुई है, परिवार को तो हानि है ही है, इसका बहुत हमको कष्ट है, दुख है, और परिवार के लोगों को भी बहुत उसकी हानि हुई है। ब्रिगेडियर साहब की आत्मा को शांति प्रदान हो। धन्यवाद।
Brigadier Lider had an illustrious and impressive career in the armed forces. A second-generation army officer who hailed from Haryana's Panchkula, Brigadier Lider had been on the staff of CDS General Bipin Rawat for over a year and was in fact cleared for a promotion to become a Major General. An alumnus of the National Defence College, he was commissioned to the Jammu and Kashmir Rifles after passing out from the Indian Military Academy in 1990. He served as the adjutant of the 2 Jammu and Kashmir Rifles between 1992 and 1999 for counter-insurgency operations in the Kashmir Valley, which wiped out 250 terrorists. Then a major, Brigadier Lider was awarded the Sena Medal, the Chief of Army Staff's Commendation Card and the General Officer Commanding-in-Chief's Commendation Card for his exceptional valour and bravery during the 3-year tenure. Brigadier Lider also served along the line of actual control in the northeast and commanded a brigade on the border in the northern sector. Brigadier Lider is remembered by his neighbours and friends fondly.
उसकी जो पर्सनालिटी थी, हंसमुख, मिलनसार और बहुत ही अच्छे नेचर का था। मेरे छोटे भाई का फ्रेंड है, मेरा ब्रदर छोटा है, वो भी ब्रिगेडियर है आर्मी में, और काफ़ी जब से आर्मी ज्वाइन की इसने, रहे तो बाहर ही हैं ज़्यादा, और जब भी छुट्टी आते थे साल में 2-3 बार, जब भी आना 2 दिन के लिए, 1 दिन के लिए भी आना, तो यहाँ सबको मिल के जाते थे, बिना मिले कभी भी वापस नहीं गए, और अच्छे मिलनसार थे।
The nation salutes Brigadier Lider for his gallant service in protecting our borders and fighting terror. 1.3 billion Indians say thank you for your service, Brigadier. Bureau Report, India Today.
Utmost grace, dignity and courage shown by the wife and daughter of Brigadier Lider at a moment which has broken their heart, possibly forever. With that, we're going to move on to the latest news coming in on the new variant, Omicron. Well, another case of that has now been found at Dharavi. A resident from Dharavi, Mumbai, has tested positive for the variant. He had returned from Tanzania. The person was unvaccinated. With the new case, the total tally of Omicron cases in India has now mounted to 26. The Health Ministry in its press briefing said that a discussion on the booster dose is on with World Health Organization.
24 नवंबर को पहला केस ओमिक्रॉन का साउथ अफ्रीका के गौटेंग प्रोविंस में नोट किया गया था। WHO ने उसको वेरिएंट ऑफ कंसर्न के रूप में घोषित किया। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के लेवल पर जैसे ही यह न्यूज आई, एक डिटेल्ड इसके बारे में रिव्यू किया गया। इसके इम्प्लीकेशन को एनालाइज करते हुए देश में कोविड से संबंधित क्या कार्य करें, उसके संबंधित दिशा निर्देश दिए गए। साथ ही देश की ट्रैवल एडवाइजरी, इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल एडवाइजरी को रिवाइज किया गया, जो कि 1 दिसंबर से एप्लीकेबल है। हमारे देश में पहले 2 केस जो कि कर्नाटक से आए थे उनको 2 दिसंबर को नोट किया गया और अभी ओवरऑल 25 केस ओमिक्रॉन के पॉजिटिव के देश में पाए गए हैं।
ये जो डिस्कशंस WHO में हो रही हैं वो फ्रेश डेटा जैसे जैसे आ रहा है वैक्सीन की इफेक्ट का, इम्पैक्ट का, उसके बेस के ऊपर उनकी कुछ इस तरह कई ऑब्जर्वेशंस हैं और वो जहाँ तक मुझे ज्ञात है ये बूस्टर नहीं कह रहे कि पहली डोज A की हो और दूसरी B की हो तो ज़्यादा इफेक्ट होगा। हम इन चीज़ों को लेके जैसे मैंने कहा कि अपनी साइंटिफिक फोरा पे पूरी तरह से नज़र रखे हुए हैं और अपना जो देश का डेटा है उसको भी लेके चले हुए हैं। उनका एक साइंस के जो नए स्टडीज आई हैं उनके बेस के ऊपर इनकी ऑब्जर्वेशन है कि अगर एक के बाद दूसरा देते हैं तो लेबोरेटरी में या टेस्ट में जो इम्यूनिटी दिखाई देती है वो बेटर है। वी आर कीपिंग अ वॉच दैट इट इज पॉसिबल दैट होमोलोगस vaccination combination may have one place, but heterologous may have maybe an improved outcome. We'll keep a watch on this. We are mindful of science of this.
We are Trust India today to get you up to speed with all the latest developments coming on the new variant. But I want to now quickly shift focus to this other big entertainment event of sorts, where Katrina Kaif married Vicky Kaushal in Ranthambore, Savai Madhopur, Rajasthan. And this is how the wedding panned out.
It's official. Vicky and Katrina are man and wife. The reigning diva and Bollywood's newest favourite actor have tied the knot. The dreamy fairy tale ceremony is the talk of the town. And the wedding of the year has truly lived up to its name. As the sun set over the Six Senses Fort in Barwara on Thursday, Vicky and Katrina took their 7 feras in the presence of their loved ones. The new Mr. and Mrs. shared pictures of the ceremony which looked straight out of a movie. Literally, Katrina wrote, "Only love and gratitude in our hearts for everything that brought us to this moment. Seeking all your love and blessings as we begin this new journey together." And in minutes, the picture broke the internet, getting over 3 million likes in just 1 hour. Pictures of the Jaymala and Feras showed the bride and groom hand in hand, gazing into each other's eyes as they entered into a new chapter of their lives. Katrina looked stunning in a deep red Sabyasachi lehenga made from hand-woven matka silk with fine tila work and meticulously embroidered in revival Zardozi borders in velvet. In homage to the groom's Punjabi roots, her veil was custom trimmed with handmade kiran in hand-beaten silver, electroplated in gold. The new bride, accessorized with jewellery of uncut diamonds in 22-carat gold, detailed with hand-strung pearls from Sabyasachi heritage jewellery. Vicky wore an ivory silk sherwani with intricate Marori embroidery and Sabyasachi handcrafted gold-plated Bengal tiger buttons with a silk kurta and churidar. He also wore statement necklace studded in emeralds, brilliant cut and rose-cut diamonds, quartz and tourmalines in 18-carat gold. Katrina wore the Tiffany Solitaire Platinum. Her wedding ring is estimated to be between 7 to 8 lakh. Katrina's diamond-studded Mangalsutra is from Sabyasachi's Bengal Tiger collection. The Mangalsutra featured black and gold beads and 2 small drop-down diamonds, while groom Vicky was seen wearing a simple Tiffany band worth over 1 lakh rupees. The exclusive guest list at the wedding had Kabir Khan, Angad Bedi, Mini Mathur, Neha Dhupia, Gurdas Maan, Sharvari Wagh and Vijay Krishnacharya. The cost for the 5-tier caramel and chocolate wedding cake at Victrina's wedding was reportedly between 3 to 4 lakh. The newlyweds sent sweets for the media waiting outside their wedding venue. The couple is likely to host a reception in Mumbai for their Bollywood friends after they return from their Maldives honeymoon. Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, viewers, the wedding bells rang in Bollywood, then even in political circles. Tejashwi Yadav, the RJD deputy CM of Bihar, got married to his long-term friend. On your television screens is Tejashwi Yadav's wedding, which was a hush-hush ceremony that had taken place in Delhi. Not many people were invited to this particular wedding. There was very little indication that it was actually going to take place at all. But Tejashwi Yadav married his long friend of 6 years, now known as Rajshri Yadav. Welcome back. You're watching our Fact Check segment where we bust certain myths masquerading to be facts on social media platforms and WhatsApp groups. Now, there was a video which was floating about, especially after the crash of the CDS's chopper, suggesting that this was visual from the incident. The fact check on that, false. The incident not related to the CDS chopper crash. With that quick fact check, it's time for us to go into a quick break. You do stay with us. On the other side is To The Point with me.